Hello fourth class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Let's start today's SS class. Students, today we are going to start our new block 3, indoor and outdoor games. And we already know about different games. Today we will learn the difference between indoor and outdoor games. Now students, here are the pictures of different type of games. So, you can see the different type of games in this picture. Clear? Like football, basketball, ludo, snakes and ladders, chess and badminton, carom. Clear? Now students, tell me which of these games do we play outside and which ones can we play indoors and why? Let's discuss the answer. We play football, basketball and badminton outdoors because they need large playgrounds and courts. Football and basketball also need many players. We play board games like ludo, carom, snakes and ladders and chess indoors because they don't need large playgrounds or many players. I hope it is clear to you all. Now students, do you know how are indoor games different from outdoor games? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Indoor games need little space to play and favor people and favor players. इंडोर गेम्स जो होता है उसमें हमें कम स्पेस की नीड होती है और कम प्लेयर्स की. आउटडोर गेम्स नीड मोर प्लेयर्स, लार्ज ओपन स्पेस एंड समटाइम्स रैकेट्स, बॉल्स, बैट्स एंड नेट्स. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. नाउ प्लीज लुक एट दिस चार्ट. So, name of the games. Does it need a playground? Yes or no? Does it need bat, balls, nets, rackets? Yes or no? So, you have to answer it in yes or no. Can it be played with only 2 people? Yes or no? So, football. Football में हमें playground की need होती है. Yes. More people. We need rackets like bats, balls and rackets. No. We cannot play it with 2 people. So you have to complete this chart in this way. Now students, it's time for higher order thinking question. Question is, when is it difficult to play outdoor games? Outdoor games play करना कब difficult हो जाता है? Students, it is difficult to play outdoor games when the weather gets harsh and when it is too hot, too cold or rainy. We may not be able to play outdoors. I hope this explanation is clear to you all. Now, please open your content book of SS, lesson number 1, indoor and outdoor games. There are various kinds of games that we play outdoors and some that we play indoors. There are some games that need a large number of players and some that need only a few. We play many games in school and some at home. So you can see the picture of games. Ludo. Ludo is another popular indoor game that we played by 2 or 4 players. Ludo को हम 2 और 4 players के साथ भी play कर सकते हैं. Snakes and ladders is a popular indoor game that can be played by more than 2 players. It is a board game. Chess is an outdoor game that needs only 2 players. It is a board game. Carom is another popular indoor game that can be played with 2 to 4 players. It is also a board game. So these 4 games are all board games. Here, next, outdoor games. You can see picture. Kho-Kho is a well-known outdoor game played in India in an open space with many players. We need many players in Kho-Kho. You can see the picture of Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a popular outdoor game which needs many players and a large area to play in. Football. This is the picture of football. Football is an outdoor game that needs several players and a large playground. Last one is basketball. Basketball is an outdoor game that needs many players and a large court to play in. So we will read this passage now. Schools usually have large playgrounds and courts where students can play outdoor games such as kabaddi, kho-kho, basketball, football, tennis and hockey. Many of these games need nets, bats, balls, rackets, large spaces, and many players. We may not find these at home. Indoor games such as snakes and ladders, chess, carom, and ludo can easily be played at home because they need little space and few people. We often play these games with our families and friends. So हम इंडोर गेम्स किनके साथ प्ले करते हैं? अपनी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ. I hope this lesson is clear to you all. You have to do these practice questions. We will discuss these practice questions at the end of this lesson plan. Now these are your keywords. First one is board game. A game such as chess or ludo that is played on a board. Board games कौन से होते हैं जिनको हम boards पे play करते हैं? Racket, an object with a net fixed to a round frame which has a handle for hitting the ball in sports. बॉल को हिट करने के लिए जो बैट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ रैकेट. इंडोर, हैपनिंग इनसाइड अ बिल्डिंग. आउटडोर, हैपनिंग आउटसाइड अ बिल्डिंग. कोर्ट, एन एरिया फॉर प्लेइंग अ पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट. एक एरिया है जो एक पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट के लिए बना होता है जिसमें हम प्ले कर सकते हैं. So you have to write these keywords in your notebook and also the meaning of these keywords you will write. Now open your worksheet 3.1 indoor and outdoor games. First question, which of these are usually played indoors? Which one are usually played outdoors? Write indoor and outdoor below the picture. So जो भी गेम इंडोर प्ले होते हैं उस पिक्चर के नीचे इंडोर राइट करोगे और जो आउटडोर प्ले होते हैं आउटसाइड so you will write down outdoor below the picture. Next one is, what are your favorite indoor and outdoor games? Write two differences between them. So आपको अपने two favorite indoor और outdoor games के बारे में बताना है and also you have to tell the two differences between them. Next question is question number 3. If it is raining heavily, what will you play? Carom or football? Why? Students, I will play carom when it is raining because I will get wet outside when I play football. So you have to complete this worksheet. Now you have to do these practice questions. Circle the indoor game and underline the outdoor game. जो indoor game है उनको आप circle करोगे और outdoor games को underline करोगे. Next question. Why is football said to be an outdoor game? Students, football said to be an outdoor game because we need several players and a large playground to play the football. Third question, if it rains heavily, which games you not to able to play and why? अगर बाहर रेन हो रही है तो आप कौन से गेम प्ले नहीं कर पाओगे, इंडोर और आउटडोर, and you have to give the reasons also. So you have to complete these practice questions. Thank you everyone for watching this video.